Jai Ho, and my dear children of class 2nd. This is your physical instructor and I welcome you all for today's session. In our earlier class, in the last video, you came to know the syllabus of physical education for grade 2. And today, let us start with the first lesson, that is human body. And what are we going to learn in human body? So before I start the class, I hope you all have seen my previous video about the syllabus, and this is related to sports, and in sports we are going to study first topic, that is human body and our body awareness. We should know what are our different parts of our body and how it is helping us to deliver or to work in a systematic form in different kind and way. So my dear children, today we are going to learn about sensory organs. What are our 5 sensory organs? So let us start with the first content, that is eyes. So every one of us is having 2 eyes. What we do with our 2 eyes? We can see, we can look the things in colorful way, whether the things are at far distance or at closer distance. We can see so many different kinds of things surrounded to us. We see car, we see buses, we see plane, fruits, vegetable, things like furniture, fridge, washing machine. We recognize the things. So how do we recognize? When we see, when we are looking at that particular thing with our eyes. So eyes is our first sensory organ which can be seen, which things are there, whether it is in the far or in a closer or near to us, we see with our eyes. If you are writing, you see your question and answer. You, while reading, you see with your eyes, isn't it? So let us move to our second sensory organ. The second sensory organ is nose. What is the work of our nose? It smells. It smells the different flavors. Sometimes some pastries are there, cakes are there, which we bring from the market. You can see the fragrance of that essence, how it is, we through our nose. And even for breathing, when we are breathing, when we take the oxygen inside, we breathe with our nose, we leave with our nose, we breathe with our nose, and we leave out with our nose help. So nose also plays a very important role in the human body. Then we prepare some nice delicious food in the house, your mothers, aunties, or someone in the house. You have you ever felt any time the smell? Today something special has been cooked in the house. So you recognize the smell, what it is. Now let us move to the third, that is ear. Now what is the use of our ear? We hear music, we hear the lectures, the classes, the sound, different variations of sound we hear through our ears. You can recognize the different sounds, whether it is clapping, whether it is clicking, whistle, music, we recognize by our ears. So we listen through our ears. We listen to so many different kinds of sound. It may be the sounds of animals. So we recognize this, yeah, what sound it is. Someone knocking the door or the bell rings, ting dong. We can recognize, okay, what sound it is. So it is the ear which recognizes the sound, the beats, the rhythm. When we are dancing, we listen to the music, we hear the music, and then we dance. When we are singing, when we sing the song, you recognize the beats, the rhythm, the sound. And this is the work of a functioning of our ear, to recognize the different variation sound. Skin, yes, skin. See our skin, we can feel. You feel the, see, When someone pinches, you feel on your skin. When someone is pinching, see, I'm pinching my own self, little hurt. But if I pinch harder, I can feel the skin. So it is the covering layer to our body. Skin is a covering layer to our body. We have skin on our face, we have on our body the skin to protect the inner parts of our body, and we can feel the skin, we feel the sense, okay, yes, this is our skin. And the last, very important and very interesting, is our tongue. What does tongue do? It helps, it is a sensory organ which can sense the different kind of delicious food. It can recognize, the tongue, it recognizes whether it is sweet, sour, bitter, spicy, or what. So it recognizes the different taste. See, when we take the sugar and eat, it is sweet. When we take some green chilies and we eat, it is spicy. You start. Salt, somehow we feel it. How do we feel salt? Have you all seen it? And then if you take some other material, so some uh, vegetables are there, sometimes it is sweet, sometimes it is sour, and sometimes it is bitter. Sometimes when we cut the cucumber, some cucumbers it tastes nice, and some, you see, some bitter taste will come. You will not find any taste only in it, you will find some different only, which is bitter, tasteless like. So there are different kinds of taste which is recognized by our tongue. So these are the five sensory important organs of our body, of each and every one of us. So today, my dear children, this was a small information about body awareness. Okay, in my body, what are the five sensory organs and how they function, how they work, and in different ways, how it may be our skin, it may be our tongue, it may be our ears, nose. So how they are working and how they come to know the different things. So my dear children, today this was a first part of our body awareness. We shall meet in our next class for the next topic, and till that, you take care of yourself, be safe at home, do your studies in time, enjoy your day, saying bye to everyone. Jai Hind.